لم, لن, لا, and sa. When these particles precede a present tense verb, it changes the tense of the verb from present to past or future or imperative. This is why you should learn them. Let's have some examples. تعمل, you work. The first example, ستعمل, you will work. The sa adds the meaning of the future. Sa, will. لا تعمل, do not work. The la gives the meaning of the negative imperative. The verb carries sukun in its last letter instead of the dhamma in the present tense. لا تعمل, do not work. لن تعمل, you will not work. لن gives the meaning of the future in the negative form. The verb carries fatha on its last letter instead of the dhamma in the present tense. لن تعمل, you will not work. لم تعمل, you did not work. The lem gives the meaning of the past in the negative form. The verb carries sukun on its last letter instead of a dhamma in the present tense. لم تعمل, you did not work. تدرس, you study. ستدرس, you will study. لا تدرس, do not study. لن تدرس, you will not study. لم تدرس, you did not study. تقول, you say. ستقول, you will say. لا تقل, do not say. لن تقول, you will not say. لم تقل, you did not say. تكتب, you write. ستكتب, you will write. لا تكتب, do not write. لن تكتب, you will not write. لم تكتب, you did not write. تأكل, تأكل, you eat. تأكل, you eat. ستأكل, you will eat. تأكل, you eat. لن تأكل, you will not eat. تأكل, you eat. لا تأكل, do not eat.